If you're looking to accept file uploads on your WordPress site, Gravity Forms has you covered. Simply open the form editor and drag and drop the file upload field onto your form. You can use the column control handle to resize the field if needed. And within the field settings, you'll find the customization options for this field. For instance, you can specify the allowed file extensions you want to accept. If left blank, users will be able to upload any file type that is supported by the WordPress core rules for file uploading. If you want to allow multiple file uploads, enable the multi-file upload option and set the maximum number of files this field can accept. If no maximum is set, users will be able to upload an unlimited number of files. One important thing to note is that once a user has uploaded a file via this form, you won't be able to switch the field settings between single file and multi-file uploads. Finally, you can specify a maximum file size you wish to accept. That's all for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.